fix post unavailable on Instagram. So if you want to fix post unavailable on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. So the first thing you want to know is that if a post is unavailable, it could be because the person has placed his account to private. And it also could be because the person has deleted the post. If it's unavailable, not because of these two reasons, then you want to check if it's because an Instagram bug. For that, you need to update your Instagram. So go back and then open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Instagram. And if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating your Instagram, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, or if you don't find the update problem, then it could be because of some kind of bug inside your Instagram. For that, you need to just tap and hold on to your Instagram application for a few seconds and then go with the app info. From your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then clear all of your cache. After clearing your cache, you can go and restart your device, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.